Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and the gentleman that's giving away these free macros has been watching some of mine, and I put them on a thumb drive so they're easy to find. And he recommended that you put them into the folder, and I'll show you how to get to that folder in just a second, so they will always be there. So I'm just going to go to this. Let's see, I've already got that one. So this is this one right here, and you need to get the GMS file and then just move it over to this folder. And I've already got it, so I'm going to skip that one. But then it's always in the GMS. Let's do this one. Here's the GMS file. I'm just going to move it over. My computer's asking for permission, but it puts it over there. So all your files for your macros are inside that file. And to find it, just go to your Windows Explorer or whatever and go to your C drive right here. Go to Program Files. Go to Corel. Go to whatever version of Corel you want to put it in, which is 19. And then go down to Draw. And there's your GMS folder. And there's those ones I just put in there. So my suggestion of putting them on a thumb drive is going to work. But then if you're going to use them forever, you want to move them over to a GMS file. So Corel will always have them up here in your script or your editor. Here's all my macros that I've gotten recently. So I thank him for that tip and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.